class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. First of all, we will discuss about previous video. As per the previous video of commands in AutoCAD part 1, I saw the reviews on channel social media platform like Facebook or WhatsApp. Some of friends told me regarding the length of the tutorial. The length is more. So I decided that I will cover the step by step or one by one command in deep manner for better understanding the commands in AutoCAD. Okay class, now concentrate on today's topic. Our today's topic is spline. In this topic, we will share you knowledge regarding spline command in AutoCAD, how to apply this shortcut key for spline or spline types. So class, let's get started. Today's topic. Spline. SPL is a shortcut key for spline. The spline is type of line command through which you can make a wavy line for making any type of 2D shape in AutoCAD software. Here in this software, we will understand spline command in a few steps and also understand some parameters of spline command. You will also get knowledge about the shortcut keys of this command. We can understand spline command in AutoCAD is very easily because it is very similar to the line command of this software, that means AutoCAD software. At the top of the working screen, there are some tabs which have different types of designing command such as home, insert, annotate and many others. Each tab have their different command and sections for handling the parameters of their command and design. Below this, we have a working window in which we can draw our drawing and make models. Below this window, there is some navigation command with switching the command from 2D to 3D screen. You can adjust all the sections according to you or make your working screen. Class, you can take spline command from the draw menu of the home tab of this software, which is at the top of the working screen, or you can use a shortcut key for spline command. There are two types of spline. First is spline feed or spline CV. Okay class. Now first put SPL from the keyboard. Now here we can see the spline option is displayed. You can create a smooth curve passing through a point, that means spline. Now press enter. Now specify the first point of the spline from where you want to start it. You can choose any point by making click with it, the mouse button on the working area, or you can manually input value for that. Now here first point. Now specify the second point by click on that point and continuously draw the next point like this. In this way, you can draw a spline with a spline command in the AutoCAD. For existing the command, press enter button from the keyboard once you are done. This is a spline feed command. This is spline feed type. Here we can see the feed points. Okay. Now draw second type, spline with control vertices. Here we can draw one by one points. Now press enter. Okay, for execute the command. Here we can see the control vertices. These vertices control the spline. Okay. Now if you can join this spline with another spline, Then select the spline and go to copy command of modify menu, or we can put CO from the keyboard for copy command. Here we can see the copy command is displayed. Now press enter. Now click the starting point of the spline if you want to connect through spline. Then place it to another endpoint of the spline. Then press enter button for leaving copy command. Now for joining these two splines, select any one of them, then right click, then select spline and go to the option join. Now select any one spline. Okay. Now press enter. Now select exit. Here we can see that two splines are joined together. Okay. Class. Here we can see the spline fit is now converted into polyline because of join command. Now this polyline now converted into again spline. For that, press right click of mouse button. Now select polyline. Now select spline fit option. Okay. Press enter or select it. Okay. Now you can see this polyline is now converted into again spline. Here we can see the 2D polyline is displayed. Now for better understanding of how to convert polyline into spline, take a polyline command from the draw menu, then draw a polyline. Now here we can see the polyline is drawn. Okay. Now press right click of mouse, then select polyline, then select spline fit. Okay. Now you can see here the polyline is converted into spline fit. That means 2D polyline. Okay. You can also change the direction of the spline. For changing the direction of the spline, first we will draw a spline. Okay, SPL. Then press enter. Now here we draw a spline. Okay. Press enter or exit the command. Now for changing the direction, press right click of the mouse, then select spline, then select reverse direction. Okay. Click on it. You can see here the direction will be changed. Okay. Now another option from the spline is close. Select the spline, then click right click. Okay. Now select spline, then select close option. Then press OK or click on it. Okay. After clicking, the spline is now closed. That's it, class. This is spline command from AutoCAD. First is spline fit. Okay. Second one is spline with control vertices. You can drag them for control the spline. Third one is how to convert polyline into spline or spline into polyline. Then next is close, how to close the spline, or here you can draw a spline for reverse direction option. Okay. Now again spline reverse direction. Okay. It can be easily change the direction of the spline. Okay, I hope class you are now understand the basic idea on spline command in AutoCAD. That means how to use spline command, shortcut key for spline, spline types, okay, and how to apply in drawing. If you like our video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Design YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in CAD softwares. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.